If your 2019 Chevy Infotainment system is frozen or constantly resetting, you're not alone. These issues persist as of 2025, but there are effective restart methods you can try before seeking professional help. These problems typically manifest as frozen screens, unresponsive touchscreens, or systems that keep restarting. The good news is that most of these issues are software related and can be resolved with the right restart method. The first method to try is a soft reset. Press and hold the power button on your infotainment system for 10 to 15 seconds until it completely shuts down. Then press the power button again to restart. This method has about a 60% success rate for minor software glitches. If the soft reset doesn't work, try a hard reset. Turn off your vehicle completely, remove the key or key fob from the vehicle, and wait 2 to 3 minutes. Then restart your vehicle and the infotainment system. This method has approximately a 75% success rate for moderate issues. For more severe issues, try a factory reset. Navigate to Settings, then select Return to Factory Settings and confirm the reset. The system will restart automatically. This method has the highest success rate at about 85%, but be aware that it will erase all your personal data, including contacts, preferences, and saved locations. To summarize, try these methods in order from least to most invasive. Start with the soft reset, then the hard reset, and finally the factory reset if needed. These methods resolve most software-related infotainment issues in 2019 Chevy vehicles. If force restarting doesn't resolve your infotainment issues, the next step is checking your vehicle's electrical system and software. We'll examine 3 critical areas: fuses, battery voltage, and software updates. First, let's check the critical fuses. 3 specific fuses control your infotainment system: F31 for the main infotainment unit, F42 for the radio, and F18 for accessory power. Locate these fuses in your instrument panel fuse box. Look for blown fuses. They'll have a broken filament or appear burned. Replace any damaged fuses with the exact same amperage rating. Next, check your battery voltage. Your infotainment system requires at least 12.4 volts for stable operation. A weak battery is a common cause of system malfunctions and unexpected resets. If your battery voltage is low, you can try a battery disconnect reset. Remove the negative terminal for 15 minutes, then reconnect it. This clears the system memory and often resolves power-related issues. Finally, ensure your infotainment system has the latest software. There are 3 ways to update: over-the-air updates if your model supports it, USB updates downloaded from GM's website, or professional updates at a dealership. As of 2025, the latest Infotainment 3 software version is 84.x.x. Keeping your system updated is crucial. Software updates resolve approximately 89% of infotainment issues, making this one of the most effective solutions.